Okay, I'd like to show you a really easy way to open up tension in the low back. This is great if you've been sitting for long periods of time or you just start to get that sort of tightness in your low back and you want a quick way to release it. You can use either the gold ball or the silver ball. You want one of the larger balls though. The black balls don't really work for this because you need the larger size sphere. So what you're going to do is you're just going to come and sit down on your mat and actually take a lie down like so. And you're going to bring your feet and your knees together like this, and you're just going to let your knees fall to the side. And we're going to put the ball, you're going to hold on to it with the same side hand. So I'm on the right side of my lumbar spine here. And I'm going to wedge that ball right in there between the ribs and the hip, push it right into that lumbar curve, and then lean back into the ball a little bit. You got to hold it in place with this hand and actually add a little bit of extra push in there. You don't have to work real hard, but the more you can feel that you can lean into it, because we're going to really connect our abdominal muscles towards the spine. So just feel that you can use that musculature to sink into the ball. Then we're going to add a little knee raise like this on the exhale to press into it. You don't have to raise it real high. So that's what we're going to do. So start in a relaxed mode. Find a really comfy position where you're in the sweet spot right here. Take some deep breaths now. Inhale. Inhale some more. I want big full breathing. I want you to breathe into this ball. Feel the back stretch with breath. Keep inhaling. And now exhale. Lift that knee up. So you can leave the foot resting, or you could just use those abdominal muscles to pull from front to back to ball. Exhale the knee back down again. Inhale. Again, fill with breath, holding this in the space here. Inhale some more. Inhale some more. Inhale some more. Exhale. Feel that connection front to back to ball. Lift that knee, press into the ball and release. Inhale. Inhale some more. Inhale some more. Exhale. Just use this like a lever, opening up that back space, press into the ball, exhale fully, and release. Inhale, get that breath, pushing into the ball. More, and exhale, empty the breath. Okay, that was about 5 breaths, and I want to do 5 more. So really, at this point, I released a little bit, so I'm going to find a new spot and just kind of get a little deeper in there. So find a new spot, inhale. Inhale some more, and lift that knee. Exhale, feel the connection front to back to ball, and release. Inhale, inhale more, and exhale, sink into that ball. Inhale, inhale some more, exhale. So you feel it's like a lever, it just helps you get some weight into the ball. Inhale, big and full, keep inhaling. And exhale. Good. Press, and release. Inhale. This last one on this side, make it feel really good. Inhale some more, and exhale into that ball. Take the ball out. Go ahead and relax onto your mat for a minute and just observe what happened in your body. How that just opens the rib space, makes space between in that big latissimus dorsi muscle that gets super tight. Actually release my hip a bit too. So I'm going to turn around so you can see. We're going to do the other side. So come on down to a nice comfy position. We're going to take care of the left side now. So just bend your knees easy, feet and knees together. Let those knees just fall to the right side. We're going to do the left side. Hold the ball at the same side hand and wedge it and find it right in that same spot on the left side. Hold it, take a nice breath, and remember we're connecting, so take a big breath just to feel that breath expand into the ball. And both sides are different. You might get tighter on one side. Just always just observe those differences. Now let's begin. Inhale, inhale some more, exhale, lift that knee and allow that connection front to back to ball. Exhale, empty your breath and come down. Inhale, inhale some more, exhale, lift that knee, press front to back to ball, and exhale. Inhale, inhale some more, Inhale some more and exhale. Press, press, press. Release and inhale. Inhale some more. Inhale some more. Exhale, lift that knee, press and release. Inhale. Big and full, feel the stretch. Inhale some more. More. Exhale, press front to back to ball. Good, now really readjust there. So you can readjust at any time, but halfway is a really good spot to do it because it feels like it created more space and I can press that a little bit deeper into the spine. Now inhale. 5 more breaths here. Inhale some more. And exhale, press front to back to ball and release. Inhale. Inhale some more. More and exhale, pressing front to back to ball and release. Inhale. Inhale some more. Inhale some more and exhale, press front to back to ball. And inhale. Inhale some more. More and exhale, press and release. Inhale. Inhale some more. More. Exhale, exhale, press. And one more. Inhale. Big and full. Expand in all directions with breath. And exhale, empty that breath and release. Take the ball out. And just lengthen out on your mat. Feel how that just opens up your whole low back area. Bend your knees up. Just bring your knees into your chest. Give a little rock. Push yourself to one side. And enjoy that space.